So you may be wondering what the difference is between an agreement and a contract. Well, you've come to the right place because in this video, we're going to break down the differences so you can choose the right one every time. Okay, let's get started. First, we'll dive into agreements. An agreement is an arrangement between two or more parties that's usually unwritten and informal. The parties consent to do or not to do something, and there's nothing requiring them to hold up their end of the agreement aside from the honor system. It seems pretty simple, right? It is, but keep in mind an agreement can't be enforced in court because it lacks the elements of a contract, so it has no legal force. So maybe think twice before you set one up and make sure it's aligned with your needs. Next, we'll talk about contracts. A contract is an agreement with terms and conditions that are enforceable in court. A contract is a formal arrangement between two parties which is valid when they both accept the terms. Keep in mind that an exchange of goods or services for consideration, such as money, is required for the arrangement to be legally binding, and the parties can be sued for failure to meet the obligations of the contract. So long story short, if you want more muscle behind your arrangement, it's probably best to go with a contract. Now, just in case you want some clarification, let's discuss an example. Let's say your friends are in town and you offer to let them stay at your house. That's an agreement because there's no exchange of consideration or terms or conditions written. So your friends cannot sue you for changing your mind and making them stay at a hotel. However, if your friend gives you a deposit and agrees to pay you $50 per night to stay at your house, that's a contract because you've agreed to exchange a service for consideration. So your friends would have grounds to sue if you accepted their payment but didn't let them stay at your house. Overall, both agreements and contracts have their advantages and disadvantages. And now that you know more, be sure to check out Jotform's full guide on how to write a contract, as well as ready-made online templates for both agreements and contracts. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to Jotform's YouTube channel for more.